Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. See that sign right there? Yeah, it says sold, sold, sold. We just moved into a new house. Bought my first house here for the Nasty Nate channel. We got a 2-car garage where we're gonna start Nasty Nate Diesel Performance. And you can see this garage is just shot. Everything about it. Look at these walls. I mean, what, they drilled a million holes to find the stud? Who knows? So, got some drywall crap, got some paint. I gotta go get more stuff for this because we are gonna do a garage transformation on this channel. Gonna do a little bit of a series because I wanna do a floor video. Probably gonna redo the back wall because it's this weird wood paneling. Definitely ripping down those shelves. Gonna build a big workbench along this whole wall right here, and obviously paint, and then do LEDs and some really bright lights so we can detail cars in here, work on cars, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned right now, and gonna start prepping a little bit of the garage for the drywall work, but just wanted to show you kind of what we are starting on the channel. All right guys, so I began patching all the drywall work in here, and I did not plan on doing this anytime soon, but I just can't stand it. This wood paneling has to go. These shelves have to go. Absolute just old junk. What even is this? I don't even want to touch it. So I'm gonna start pulling the trim off of this, you know, outlet covers, wiring for the garage door thing, and we are gonna start tearing down the wood paneling because it's really just holding me back from, you know, getting this garage organized, because I just want to wait until some things are done before I build a shelf or book or a work shelf or workbench or whatever. So this is kind of a priority right now. So gonna shoot a little bit of a time lapse for this, start with the trim, get all this stuff done. Really shouldn't be expensive in drywall. It's gonna be like, I don't know, it's not gonna be that many sheets. So it might be like less than $100 to do drywall on this wall. Totally worth it. And then we'll get everything painted white. This should be looking way better. So what I was about to do was clear kind of a section in the garage to throw all this in a pile. But I think I'll just turn my truck around, back up to the garage, and then put everything in the truck bed. And then I'll be able to take everything to the dump tomorrow, because I don't want to put it in the pile and then put it in my truck 2 separate times. So I guess I'll just kind of scoot everything out of the way and back my truck up as far as I can, and then we'll go from there.
I've been around the block a couple times. I've been strung out and locked up overnight. One thing I don't do well with are goodbyes. And when I hear the voices that take my belt and laces, it might be time for me to sober up, but I just don't think that'll be enough. This high is good.
That's how it's done, boys. All right, guys, that's all we're gonna have time for today. In the next video, gonna get some drywall up. Already took all the wood paneling to the dump, got that, you know, thrown away, got rid of everything. So next video, you'll see some drywall going up, drywall work over here and on the other side, and then we're gonna get everything painted. Ooh, I gotta do some drywall work on the ceiling too. But yes, then we'll paint everything white, and then we can install some cool lights in here. So make sure you stay tuned to the Nasty Nate channel. See this garage in progress, and we'll catch you in the next one.